The future of Web3 in the US, a million tech jobs are at risk. In today's blog, we are talking about tech jobs. The United States is at a crossroads in the development and growth of Web3 technology. A recent report by Electric Capital reveals that the US is in danger of losing a staggering 1 million developer jobs over the next 7 years if it fails to create a more crypto-friendly regulatory environment. As other nations work to establish themselves as crypto hubs, the US must adapt its approach to protecting its position as a global leader in finance, technology, and innovation. This blog will look at the implications of this report and the urgent need for the US to act in order to retain talent and maintain a competitive edge in the Web3 arena. The decline of US Web3 development. The US has historically been the largest hub for Web3 software development, but its global share has dropped from 40% to 29% in just 6 years. This decline is attributed to regulatory uncertainty and a regulation by enforcement approach, causing developers and entrepreneurs to seek friendlier environments in Europe, Asia, Latin America, India, and Africa. Countries like Hong Kong are actively working to attract crypto innovation by implementing clear regulations and fostering partnerships between crypto firms and banks. The passionate developer community fights to stay despite the challenging regulatory landscape in the US. Many developers are passionate about keeping innovation alive within the country. Global Web3 development continues to grow at a 5% YoY rate, even in the face of a 70% decline in crypto prices. This enthusiasm is evident in the recent Crypto 435 campaign, where over 32,000 developers, builders, and individuals voted on-chain in just 1 week, urging Congress to pass pro-crypto policies to maintain innovation in America. I'm not an expert on blockchain. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money in Web 3.0. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.